Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Roblox game on mobile. So first up, open your Roblox application on your mobile device. And you can also open your Roblox on your browser. Now here on your Roblox, once you log in with your account, directly go to your dashboard. Here on homepage, you just have to tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner of your screen and then find the Create option. Once you tap on Create, then here you will now go to this page. So basically, you will find all the experience that you have just created. So here on Creator Hub, you can select your game, but basically you don't have any options here to create your own game. So you'll then need to install a Roblox Studio to be able to create your or make your own game on Roblox. So here, as you can see, if you're going to swipe and tap on View All Experiences, and then you're going to the development items here, as you can see, you will then need to launch Studio. If you're going to tap on Studio, here you will find the system requirements if you're using Windows. If you're using Mac, the processor, RAM that you need to have, hard disk, the graphic card, internet access. So here is the instruction. Just have to install the studio on your window or Mac. And then here, just follow here and install the exe file or DMG file on your Mac device. So as you can see, you will then need to create a Roblox game on your Windows device, on your computer or laptop, and it is not actually available on your mobile. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.